In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grow your business with Facebook Marketplace. First, make sure your seller profile builds trust at a glance. Buyers will look you up before they look at your product. Use a real, clear profile photo, keep your name professional and recognizable, and add basic details like your location and business type. Stay active on the platform. A recent post history signals that you're responsive and legitimate. Next, treat every listing like a mini sales page. Start with a clear, keyword-rich title so buyers can find you. For example, hair curler 2-in-1 ceramic, long-lasting curls. Use sharp, well-lit photos and short clips that show the product from multiple angles. In your description, lead with benefits before features. Explain what problem it solves and how it makes life easier. Price competitively but leave room for profit so you can handle negotiations or promos. Lean into video because Facebook tends to push it more than static images. Simple demos, quick before and after clips, or a short day in the life use case can dramatically increase reach and trust, even if they're filmed on a phone. Consistency compounds results. Aim to post several items a day, renew older listings so they resurface in search, and rotate through different photos and captions to see what pulls more clicks. Think of it as ongoing testing instead of one and done posting. Speed matters once messages come in. Reply within minutes when you can. Use saved replies for FAQs to cut response time, and keep your tone friendly but direct. Clear next steps, like how to pay or where to meet, help close sales quickly. Dial in your location. Post to multiple nearby areas and prioritize high-demand cities. Watch where inquiries originate and adjust your coverage to follow real buyer interest. Optimize for search by thinking like a customer. Go beyond a single, vague word and include specific phrases buyers would type, such as automatic hair curler for long hair, easy styling tool. Variations and synonyms help you appear in more results. Build social proof whenever possible. Ask happy buyers to leave a review, screenshot positive feedback, and showcase sold items. This reassures new shoppers that you deliver. Lower friction with convenient delivery options. Offer cash on delivery where appropriate, same-day delivery if feasible, and safe meetup choices in public places. Don't rely solely on Marketplace. Cross-post your listings to relevant buy and sell and local community groups, and aim for peak hours like mornings and evenings while following group rules. Finally, scale what works. When a product takes off, list it more often, add variations like bundles or color options, and make